Where have you been?
Oh, I went out and got you these.
Flowers?
For our anniversary.
No, it's not.
2 months?
No.
Sure?
We met 1 month, 18 days, 6 hours, and 12 minutes ago.
Oh, well, I woke up thinking about you, so I got you these.
Wow. How sweet. Now, I've got a little surprise for you, too. Do you love me?
Yes, of course.
How much?
Oh, what the hell?
How stupid do you think I am, Carl?
Come on, Cassidy.
The Army-Navy surplus store?
You followed me?
Find my phone, Carl!
I have to go back. My men in my platoon are counting on me. No, no!
I'll give you 60 grand for it. Right now, sight unseen.
I have over 80 in it.
Yeah, but I'll take over the mortgage and you can pocket that cash and just walk away.
I was hoping for 90.
50.
50.
40.
Jesus, I called to see if you'd be interested in buying my building, not to get bent over a fence.
Well, it's a distress sale. 30. 20. 10.
You know what? Go fuck yourself.
Good girl.
What?
Sit down. Come on, sit down. You don't want to sell. The whole neighborhood's on the way up. You're gonna make a killing in a couple of years.
They're suing me for $6 million.
There's always some lazy bastard staring up at you from down in the shit.
So what do I do?
Well, you make a final offer that doesn't kill you and that they think is a winning lottery ticket.
Like, how much?
5 grand, 10.
Can you excuse me a minute? Anything?
No, he hasn't called me back. You? Seen the clip?
It's already got like 30,000 views.
I got the dyke. I got it. Tread,
He looks fucking nuts.
junkie, a whore.
What does that say?
Gay Jesus speaks the truth. Is he off his meds?
How the hell would I know?
I went by the center and Trevor's had people out looking for him all day.
I gotta go back to my building.
You kicked out those deadbeats yet?
No, Ford's been watching my building all day.
No. How many more times no. Say I'm sorry? Charlie, no.
Can you...
How many times do I have to say no?
Yo, guys!
I said fucking no, Charlie. Half brother.
What does that matter? Lucas wants to meet him, and I said he could.
Shit.
You can't call him anyone you want to get fucking...
Calm the fuck down. Yo, calm.
Asshole!
Hey, crazy. Hey, hey, you're
Jason,
crazy.
get
Stop
out.
it. Hey, someone's gonna call the cops, all right? Both of you. He's my kid, too.
Fuck
all right?
you.
Stop. Fuck you. Stop. Charlie, go, all right?
Yeah, go back to your whore. Have her pop out another fucking baby for you.
Yeah, whatever.
No!